the first two.
Yeah.
The first two chords.
I feel like with amapiano, like you start with like the chords and then just put the drum straight in and add melodies afterwards. Is it in C?
Yeah, C and G, I think. I know a lot of times it has like stutter steps and stuff in it.
Yeah, it's like lots of rolls.
Nah, I can't lie, I'm not feeling this one now.
Oh, really?
Do you want to try something?
Let me try, yeah.
Would you say Utopia is the album of the year?
Nah.
Better than Gunna's album?
Yeah, production-wise, yeah. I think Gunna's one is like a more of a tape, like he just got beats and then rapped over them, got them like quickly engineered and then put it out. Whereas this one, like there's so much like detail. Just every other line is like mixed differently on like it's just like crazy effects.
Maybe like a glitch effect.
Like a gatey kind of glitch.
Yeah.
Like,
maybe automating it.
oh, why is it changing so quick?
Yeah,
just pause it.
I do that, or I'll be on TikTok, sample this.
Yeah, I've been giving away like a free guitar starter kit.
Oh, sick.
So I'll just like drop a sample this video and then like.
Yeah, see, that's the fact you guys are doing like the drum kits as well, like. And now like I make the loops in Logic and then bounce the stems go into FL, but only if it's drill or rap.
Yeah.
Because it knocks, but like.
Yeah, if I'm by myself, I just prefer to use Logic.
Yeah.
One more.
Cheers. Okay. Okay, that's it.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna say, Red. I'm gonna send you like just a little harp.
Yeah,
like
sweet,
a little
bro.
harp
It
trickle.
sounded nice when you did it.